Hi everyone, so welcome to Diksha Talks. If you also got fed up by doing mirror practice or by only speaking to yourself in English, then I have something very amazing for you. So I found a truly amazing application where you have the feature which is called free calling. So today I'm taking you into my in-depth analysis of this application where I'll show you the relevant feature. So the best feature of this application has there is something called free calling for English learners, and there is no time limit. Yes, this is absolutely unlimited without buying a subscription plan. Only restriction which they have that with one person they only allow to talk you 20 minutes. But in a day you can choose different English partners and you can have communication with them, and then after you can switch the partner. Another good thing which I found in this application that they have a feature or you can say a name of the game which is guess the word. So if you do not have any idea, suppose you both are introvert and you do not have any idea on which topic you need to speak, they suggest you a word and you need to explain the word to your partner, and your partner will guess that word. So by doing that you will be able to enhance your explanation skill, so automatically your communication skill will enhance, right? And you can also switch to the another game that is called as describe the picture. You can take any topic, you can have conversation with that topic, and this is a good thing which I found in this application, that if you do not have to worry about the content, you do not worry about the topic. Generally we just ask hi, hello, name, and then we do not have something interesting to discuss. But this application is also allowing you, in fact this application is suggesting you some good content, so you can speak over that, you can practice that with your partner. This is a very good feature which I found in this application, and I must say this is one of the easiest and non-cluttered application I have ever seen. So do try this application. I personally recommend you this application as this is free of cost. You do not need to buy a subscription plan. I personally believe, if you really want to stay connected with that person, I have a suggestion for you. You can share your Insta ID if you are comfortable, okay, and then later on you can connect with that person. But trust me, it is not a dating app, okay? I'm just suggesting you so that you may have that stable partner, okay, at least for a month or for 15 days. You do not have to bother yourself to find again a good speaking partner. That's why I'm suggesting this application for you. And do not take it as a dating app. It is not a dating app, and what I have found in this application that people are so genuine. So do not spoil or ruin this application as well. Take advantage of it and use it as it is supposed to use. Alright, so I'll see you soon. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling.